When I started my body transformation 12 years ago, they told me I would have to eat boring, tasteless meals like this chicken and broccoli if I actually want to get results. Now, this was a massive problem for me because as a foodie and someone who had to lose over 100 pounds, I could only stick to eating these kind of boring, tasteless, bland meals for about 2 to 3 days before I would literally run to the nearest pizza joint, get myself a large pepperoni deep pan pizza with extra cheese, and I would eat that like I haven't had a meal for about 10 years. But eventually, I discovered how to make the kind of meals that I actually want to eat. And for those people who don't know, 7 months after I started my transformation, I lost over 100 pounds. And today, guys, I'm super excited because I'm finally launching my brand new cookbook called 27 Recipes that helped me lose over 100 pounds. And for the next couple of days during this launch period, I want to give all of you guys a massive 80% discount. So if you want to come and check out these 27 meals that I used to eat, then pop over to 27to100.com and you can grab that for the next couple of days at 80% discount and for only $3.